Hey yo, what's up ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my mother's channel. Today we got a special treat for you. Ooh, yummy. Anyways, she's gonna be doing the, what is it?
The hot ones?
Yep, the hot ones chicken challenge, except we got 3 chicken nuggets here. And then we also got the 3 packs of hot sauce that you would see on the hot ones. The first one is the classic hot sauce she's going to try, so we'll let you get that on there. You want to just put some on the chicken and go for it?
Alright, y'all. Watch what you're doing, because
You're good.
it's crooked.
Hey yo, I'm taking over the channel. So we got a special one for today. It's a good meal. We got the hot ones challenge coming in with your host over here, her son.
Alright, guys. Watch the camera.
You good?
Alright, we're gonna try this. The camera was wanting to go dead. The first one is called the classic hot sauce. And it's already open.
She got some chicken there. Oop, that's enough. You'll be good. You'll survive.
Alright.
She's going for the classic one. Not bad, is it?
No. Is that one hot? No.
Nope, that's because it's the very first one on the hot ones. It's the classic one.
Okay. The second.
Now the second one is the Los Calientes hot sauce. I've already done this, but I'm letting her do this because she's been wanting to do it. She got hiccups. That was classic. Is it hot? Dang, she got hiccups.
Why do I have hiccups?
It's just giving you a warm up. The classic one's somewhat like a build up, basically. Alright, here she goes.
Maybe I just needed a little. I'm scared.
There you go. Yep, she got enough on that one. Mm-hmm. She already start showing signs of hiccups.
Why? I think I swallowed it wrong.
That's what she said. I think I swallowed it.
Tastes pretty good on that one, don't it?
And that one,
They say that one's a good one.
it's got a good flavor.
Now, y'all,
Okay.
she does have a retreat backup if she decides the last one, which is the last dab. Get a close
The
up.
last dab Apollo.
And I'm telling you, this is hot.
Put a lot on there, baby. Go
That's
big or
enough.
Go home.
That's enough. I'm telling you.
Go big or go home.
I did this one and I took a dab.
Go big
She's
or go
going
home.
all in.
Go big or go home.
Okay. I'm warning you though. She got a whiff. She thought it wasn't gonna be hot.
Go big or go
Oh
home.
god.
You can take one bite if you want,
Go big or
instead
go
of doing the
home.
whole thing, because I'm telling you, it's hot. She goes silent. And hot, ain't it? The last dab, she took a whole dab.
She's sniffling and her nose running.
Uh-oh.
I did it.
Don't talk, it hurts.
Oh.
You want milk? Oh, she going for it. Now it only takes about a minute of drinking like milk or chocolate milk to cool it off. So once it's over with it, you'll be like, okay.
Hot?
So, how is it?
Scale 1 to 10.
She didn't believe me that it was hot.
On a scale of 1 to 10, baby, what is it?
1 to 10. What do you think it is? Showing fingers if you don't want to talk. 1 to 10. A 7.
7 plus 3 is 10. If it's too hot to talk, it's a 10.
She can't talk.
If it's too damn hot to talk, it's a 10.
She's trying to say it's a 7, but I believe it might be a 9 for her.
No, it's a 10. If you can't talk because it's too hot.
She's getting some jelly. I told her, I tried to tell her not to take that much. She's getting some jam. Gotta make sure. So,
Ooh.
was it worth it?
Oh. That's hot.
I told you.
It's gonna be hard to thaw out.
Y'all, go get some of them hot ones challenge.
Skip the first and second and go straight to the dab.
Now, out of all three, that's the
last dab.
last dab.
Apollo.
It is the hottest.
As you could see her face expressions throughout the whole thing.
The best flavor is this one.
Yep, the Los Calientes.
Now,
The classic
this one, it's like a regular hot sauce.
It's not. In comparison, it's not even as hot as hot sauce.
No.
Or like Louisiana hot
And the
sauce.
reason I got the hiccups is because when I swallowed this,
It went down the
chicken
wrong
nugget,
way.
It went round. But this one here is the best flavor. Now, I take this and mix it with this one and try it. It would be really good.
You want to try it? I did.
You got a nugget?
Yeah.
All right.
Hold on. I'm gonna set this down, y'all. Give me a second. Here, I'll let
And
you
see
hold
how-
this.
We're gonna try to mix it and see how it goes. Okay, I think it would taste better. All right. I'm gonna put this one back in the bag.
But yeah. So she's gonna try a little bit of Los Calientes with the last dab. You ain't gonna put as much, are you? Ooh.
No.
I think you did. Look at that.
All right, now.
She's doing the Los Calientes. Trying to use the Los Calientes to cover up the first one.
Yeah. All right.
Not gonna lie though, to me, any type of hot sauce normally don't taste good to me. Except for Louisiana hot sauce. That's the only kind I like. She ate. Ooh.
Now that's good.
Just wait till the burn.
That tastes much better. Because that took down the heat some.
I wouldn't doubt it.
But it has that good flavor. I like it like that. That last dab by itself, no. My first time trying it. And it was really good. Alright guys, if you like this type of videos, hit the thumbs up. If you've tried it, put down in comments and let me know. Love you guys.